this! Yeah.
Hurry, BAO! We're almost there!
We can't stop now! Nice one, BAO! Let's keep moving!
Whoa! Did you see that? It's magic.
This place gives me the creeps!
Stay focused. We have to figure out what is going on here. We have to stop the corruption before it spreads any further.
This thing's bigger than I thought, but we'll take it down together.
We're not backing down, BAO. Let's show this thing what we've got. Stay focused, Pen. We need to stop it without hurting it. That was too close. You got this, BAO.
I need to hold this just a little longer.
Watch out, BAO. These teapots are getting faster. Stay focused, Pen. We have to stop them. Nice work, BAO. Let's show them what we've got. Stay close, Pen. It's not over yet. Huff. It's too strong. We need a new plan. Stay back, everyone. I'll hold it. Got your back, BAO. Let's get these guys to safety.
Ooh, that was close!
You're a lifesaver, BAO.
Thanks!
Wow, BAO! You're like a real-life shield! Just doing what I can to help. Take that! Nice work, PN! Now's our chance. It's not the monster. It's the crystal. We need to remove it. Just a little more. Ready, BAO? Let's do this! Hang on, BAO! I've got your back! I won't let this city fall! Not on my watch! Take that, you big teapot! It's not just a monster. It's hurting. The crystal. It's the source. It's not evil. Headblade just lost. We can help it. This is the source. We can fix it. And fix it. I can heal this. We just need to restore balance. Gotcha! Gotcha! Let's finish this together. You did it, BAO! We saved the day. It's working, BAO! It's becoming peaceful again. We did it, PEN! The world is healing. Looks like the teapot's serving more than just tea now, huh?
It's more than just tea. It's the spirit of change.
I think this might be the best tea I've ever had.
It's not just the tea, it's the moment.
Looks like we've got a new tea buddy. It's nice to see things balanced again.
We did it!
Yep, and we look good doing it. Look at that! It's really part of the village now. It's nice to see a monster making friends for once. There's a whole world out there, waiting for us. And I'm ready to take it on.